I'm sorry that there has been such a hiatus from filming. It's just been insane. Happy fall, y'all. So yes, I am doing a triple filming today, and hopefully that'll be all the filming I need to do for October out of the way before we move on into the month of November. With that being said, posting schedule is going to get a little weird because normally I like to wait a couple days in between videos. We'll see if I do that. We'll see if I just do it like day after day. I haven't decided yet. I haven't decided if I want to try to get all these videos posted out before November or not. We'll see. Anyways, I think you're here to watch an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing video. So we'll stop keeping you in suspense. We'll go ahead and dive on in. I think you're probably already aware that Ipsy is a makeup, subscription box thingamajig. And I do have the Plus version, which is the middle tier. I'm trying to find the card right now, but I might just have to say c'est la vie as far as the card goes, because I'm not seeing one. We'll go ahead and take a look. Oh, wait, found the card. Whew, okay. This month's theme is Halloween, as in Haul, as in like a shopping haul. Ready to look drop dead gorgeous this month? Welcome to Ipsy's haul. Oh, I don't know why I can't say that. Haul. I don't feel like I'm saying it right. Halloween, where we've conjured up everything you need for frightfully flawless skin and ghoulishly glam looks, all in a bewitching bag design you voted for. Good job. I'll show you the bag in a minute. I like the bag so far. Anything good on the inside? It's just giving you some last minute, you have not figured out a costume makeup looks. Have you thought about retro Cher or Betty Boop or a generic 60s baddie? Anyways, cool. Thanks. We'll move on. Let's go ahead and take a look at this bag because she is actually real cute. Generally speaking, I do like most of the bags that they come out with, but like she's legitimately cute. And let's go ahead and take a look at this first product, which is a cleanser, Pure, and it looks like it might be in collaboration with Nabella Noor. So let's go ahead and see what this is. It is a refresh brightening cleanser with turmeric. And honestly, I was just getting low on cleansers, so I was like, let's get a cleanser. That's purely 100% where my motivation goes when it's time to pick the products for each month's box. Because it's just like, well, what am I running low on? Is it cleanser? Is it highlighter? Is it setting powder? Who knows? But anyways, this is what the pretty bottle looks like. I do want to go ahead and open this up and give this a little sniffy. Maybe a little... I was wondering whether or not because of the turmeric it was going to be like yellow or orangish. It's not. As far as I can tell, it is scentless. So we'll go ahead and try that this month. I will say on the back of the bottle, it says embrace self-love, self-care, and skincare with this limited edition Pure XO Nabella Refresh Brightening Cleanser with turmeric, made in collaboration with entrepreneur and creator Nabella Noor. I'll be honest, I do not know who this is. Maybe I'll look them up. Maybe editing me will, get me up to date. See, this gel cleanser combines turmeric extract, papaya extract, and pomegranate enzyme to help hydrate and condition skin while gently exfoliating, leaving you with skin that appears softer, smoother, and brighter looking. This will probably be my nighttime cleanser that I'm going to try that out for this next month. Just because I don't... It seems like it's not super gentle, and I generally try to do a gentle cleanser in the morning. So we'll go ahead, try that bad boy out, see what that ends up doing. This next item is the Earth Harbor Sunshine Dew Antioxidant Cleansing Oil with sea kelp and papaya enzymes, and that's what this looks like in the box. It does say on the back, sweet tropical sunshine with silken dew drops sail effortlessly across your face, removing impurities, pollution, and makeup while serenely exfoliating your skin. Antioxidant-rich oils infused with sea kelp and papaya enzymes will arouse your senses while deeply cleansing and softening your complexion. She rinses clean with water, no tugging, scrubbing, nor greasy feeling. Just a smooth oil massage and rinse, leaving skin fresh, soft, hydrated, and bright. Let's see, gentle shake. Okay, so this will in turn turn into my morning cleanser most likely. Or if I do a double cleanse at night, tonight, I'll probably end up doing a double cleanse with this first and then maybe with the other one later, just because this should hypothetically be a good makeup remover. You would think it's an oil-based, and I didn't realize it would be in a dropper, so maybe that's why they're saying you need to shake it. I do want to see if there's a smell. There is a little bit of a scent, but not anything that I think, at least for me, would be bothersome fragrance-wise. So I look forward to trying that out. Moving on next, I don't remember if I picked this item or not. It is the Studio Makeup Studio Hyaluronic Setting Powder, which I am, again, running low on setting powder, so, you know. And I was also intrigued that this powder had hyaluronic acid inside of it. But otherwise, it looks like it's just your average setting powder here. Question is, does it come with a poof? Which you would think it would come with a poof, but I got one once that did not come with a poof, and I've been scarred ever since, honestly. I don't think this comes with a poof. Oh, maybe it does. What is going on? It did not come with a poof. Is it supposed to come with a poof? Do I have to provide my own poof? I might use a brush for this one because it didn't come with a poof, which it's not, you know, end of the world. It's just, they normally come with a poof. You know what I mean? But otherwise, yeah, setting powder. We'll try it. I'll let you know. Tune in next month. See how that goes. Moving on. I do know this was a product that they picked for me. It is the Hey Honey Be Clear Skin Purifying Bee Propolis Drops. It is designed to alleviate skin redness, discomfort, and signs of acne. It's been a hot minute since I've gotten a Hey Honey product in my Ipsy. Honestly, it's probably been like 5 years. I'm probably going to treat this like a serum, depending on what the box says. It says, Be Clear is an innovative oil-free formula designed for truly complex skin types. This proprietary blend of bee propolis, hyaluronic acid, carob seed gum, and aloe vera works synergistically to deliver the results your skin craves. Your first step towards clear, balanced, and blemish-free skin. So yeah, I'm going to treat this like a serum for this month. And it says in very small writing, it says use 2 to 3 drops by itself or as an addition to your moisturizer. So yeah, again, I also want to see if this has a scent. I have a lot of droppers this month. Oh, that's weird. Oh, it's like, I don't know if you can see that. There's a lot of like, I feel like I need to shake this. There's a lot of texture inside of that. It's kind of weird looking. It's kind of throwing me off. I never smelled it. I got so fixated on just... It does have a smell. It's, I would say it's probably like a fresh cleanser smell. Like, it reminds me of like a lemon antibacterial wipe. Yeah. Anyways, moving on. Our last product is by Fenty Beauty. And I believe this is something they chose because I have not been picking a whole lot of actual makeup lately. It is the Stunna Lip Paint Long Wear Fluid Lip Color in the shade Uncuffed, which looks like it'll actually be similar. Well, I mean, we'll give it a swatch, but it looks like it'll be similar to what I'm wearing now. And yeah, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. So this is what the bottle looks like, and that is très chic. If you have like a vanity, it'd be a beautiful piece to go on your vanity. And then my question is this going to actually be, oh, that is an interesting... Okay, let's talk about this tip for a minute because I don't know how well you can see it, but it looks like it's actually like ergonomically designed for your lips, which I'm actually really excited about trying this. And compared to this current lip color, it definitely has berry, but it also has a lot of like nude kind of vibes to it. We'll go ahead and give this a swatch. And then I haven't worn like liquid lipstick in a hot minute, but 'tis the season to start wearing it because I do definitely tend to wear that more in the winter. Oh, what's pretty. I do like this color. We're gonna have fun playing with it. Anyways, if you've watched my videos, you know this is the time where I now talk about the products I got in last month's Ipsy and how I feel about them now that I've had a hot minute to use them. And we'll go ahead and start with this first product. It is the Clarity Brighten It 10% lactic acid solution. So basically you put this on a little cotton ball or depending on if you like those little discs, and you just very gently apply it to your face 1 to 2 times a week. And it even says that you need to stay out of the sun the next day. Now, with that being said, oh boy, did I see results. My My skin did like it. However, there was a day where I got called into work and I had made sure to like apply this on my Friday nights going into my weekend, or my Saturday night going into a Sunday where I knew I wasn't doing anything outside. But there was a day I got called into work and I could like, my skin was definitely more sensitive while I was outside because I work outside for a living. So like it, use with caution. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. But honestly, price is right. I might buy this again when this runs out. Maybe not that specific one, but a lactic acid solution, if you will. The next product was the hair oil and CBD treatment and styling oil, which I have been using in my hair. And I will say, I like it. Also has a fun scent. We had some disagreements, this thing and I, the little spout. I had to be like, I couldn't just go pump, 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 pump. I had to go pump, pump. Does that make sense? Anyways, we worked through our differences. I've been using it. Generally speaking, I like it as a hair oil. I used it today before I blew out my hair. And generally, I've just been putting it on every time after I shower as a general heat protectant, regardless of whether or not I do blow dry out my hair. And just to kind of help those split ends a little bit. And overall, I've been happy with how my hair's been. I do definitely need to go back to the salon at some point, but it's been busy and I don't have time for that. So this has been helpful. Anyways, moving on, we have the Lifestyle Company Radiant Glow Oil Cleanser. And this was my morning cleanser. And I did end up really liking it as a gentle, just refresh of the face. Nothing that made my skin too tight. Yeah. Moving on, we'll talk about the lippy I got last month, which I am currently wearing. It was the Complex Culture one, which is the Ipsy brand, and I did like it. I think this is a perfect fall shade. It's just that perfect like berry. I'm gonna go out and pick a pumpkin or go to a fall wedding out in the leaves. I only say this because I was literally wearing this at a wedding last week in northern Michigan, surrounded by leaves. I miss Michigan a lot. Texas, like, you're pretty okay and all, but we need to work on those leaves here because they do not change pretty colors. They usually just turn brown and die. Sorry, end rant. Last but not least, we'll talk about the last product I got last month, which was the Cupid Chic Duo with the blush and the highlighter, which I am wearing both today. I don't know how obvious it is. I need to work on the lighting in here. Future goals. Anyways, I have been liking it. Yeah, the highlighter, definitely like chef's kiss, beautiful. I don't really need another highlighter. The blush, I've really been getting into the cream blushes. Between this cream blush and the cream blush I got last month, I've been getting back into blushes. I don't know why. Honestly, like, I've never really had a blush phase. Maybe now is my blush phase. Anyways, like it. Good choice, Ipsy. Anyways, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to support my video and the channel, please consider doing all the things that make the YouTube algorithm more likely to suggest my video to other people, such as liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and turning on that notification bell. Anyways, definitely have been smearing that liquid lipstick. Anyways, stay safe out there. Happy fall, y'all. Thanks for watching.